13 cleaning myths that will ruin your things. Dryer sheets are a harmless way to fight static cling. They may smell nice, but dryer sheets leave behind waxy buildup that blocks airflow, raising fire risk and energy costs. Experts suggest switching to dryer balls or at least scrubbing the lint screen often. Magic erasers can be used on every surface. These miracle sponges work like sandpaper, making them great for bathtubs and doors, but terrible for delicate finishes. Use them wisely or risk dulling wood floors and stripping paint. You can use any cleaner on pet stains. Many cleaners contain ammonia, the same compound in pet urine, which can make accidents worse. Instead, enzyme-based cleaners break down odors at the source, keeping pets from marking. You can use any cleaner on stainless steel. Bleach or ammonia-based sprays can dull shiny appliances. A safer solution? Baking soda paste or vinegar with mineral oil, gently rubbed along the grain for a streak-free finish. Chemical drain cleaners are the best way to attack clogs. Harsh drain openers eat pipes as easily as clogs. A mix of dish soap, baking soda, vinegar, and boiling water clears buildup while protecting plumbing long-term. Toilet cleaner is your secret weapon against dirty grout. Despite viral hacks, toilet bowl cleaners are sticky and unsafe for kitchen or bath grout. A simple mix of vinegar and water safely brightens without chemical hazards. Wood should be polished frequently. Too much polish wears down finishes instead of protecting wood. Experts recommend dusting regularly and polishing only every 6 weeks to avoid discoloration. You can clean anything with vinegar. This kitchen staple shines on limescale, windows, and coffee makers, but can damage granite, hardwood finishes, and leave dull, swollen surfaces. Stick to specialty cleaners for those. Natural soaps are always best. In hard water, natural soaps react to form soap scum. Non-soap detergents are a smarter choice, keeping surfaces and fabrics clean without residue. Laundry stripping is a great way to deep clean fabric. Soaking fabrics in boiling water and chemicals can weaken fibers, leading to rips and tears. Reserve this method for sturdy towels, not delicate fabrics. Newspapers will leave your glass sparkling. Old advice no longer holds. Modern newspapers shred easily, leaving fuzz and ink behind. Microfiber cloths or squeegees are far better for a streak-free shine. You can't go wrong with a rug-safe cleaner. Even products labeled safe can fade colors or damage fibers. For valuable rugs, mild dish soap and water are best, or professional cleaning when stains persist. Some stains are set for good. Contrary to belief, no stain is permanent. Even heat-set marks can be lifted with the right treatment or by a professional cleaner.